Trying to keep myself busy today. It's Tuesday, November 3rd, which is the day of a little election in the United States. So the workers took yesterday off for the Dia de Muertos activities. They said they wanted to visit the cemetery and place flowers on, place flowers for their families. So they're back to work today, and tried to explain a few things to them. We want the walls smooth. They're really rough, and he's telling me that once you paint them, they're smooth, but I don't think he understood what I was talking about. So I had to find a YouTube video and show him that, and then I just picked up those tools that you need, the spatula-like tools for smoothing out concrete on a wall. And hopefully he got what I was saying and can take care of it. He also told me that he thinks they'll be finished with all the walls on Saturday, so that'll be pretty exciting. We're hoping to get at least one plumber, if not two, over in the next couple days to give us some thoughts on how to proceed there. We've had really good luck with Amazon packages being sent to the new Casa. Well, we've had 2 packages sent, and both arrived within a couple days, and it wasn't painful at all. We shipped some ceiling fans to be installed actually at our condo, and this morning the guy came by and took him about 2 hours, he and an assistant, to install the 3 ceiling fans. He charged us 1,200 pesos, which is definitely high for 2 hours of not extremely difficult work. And at one point his assistant was taking apart the old ceiling fan on the tile floor, and I could hear the sound of the metal against tile, and I was like, can we put something underneath that ceiling fan? And again, it just goes to show you constantly have to keep an eye on these guys when they're working, because I don't think they think about stuff like that. Like the guy, when he installed the ceiling fans, there's now 2 little holes in our ceiling, and he didn't say yeah, you may need to get some putty to replace that or something. So we'll have to deal with that in the next couple of days. But anyway, so the guy's taking apart the ceiling fan on the floor, and then I'm like, so why are we taking apart the ceiling fan? And they're like, did you want these ceiling fans? I'm like, yeah, we may use them, so we just don't want them in the condo. We may take them over to the house and use them. And they're like, oh, okay, so here's your ceiling fan taken apart. I think I just kind of assumed that since they were installing new ceiling fans, that the old ceiling fans were now their property. So on this old map of Ziwa and the bay, our place is probably right about there. That's where we just bought. So that's where we're at. I've had no luck with ATMs today. I've hit 3 of them, and none of them worked. So still got plenty of time before Saturday when I have to pay these guys, but it's kind of frustrating. Went to El Plateado again today and bought another 14 bags of cement for these guys. And I forgot that they also said they needed some nails, so I was going to get money and then also get the nails. So but now it's just a mission to get more nails for them. There's the palapa roof over our place that we'll probably eventually need to change out. This has these clay tiles, and then again there's the water out there, and right there's the tinaco is what it's called, where the water from the cistern gets pushed up into there and then it flows down into the units. But anyways, yeah, hanging out on the roof.